So I had number 10, which says, what is the sum of the integers between 1 and 200 that are divisible by 9 or 15, or both? So I started by writing how to find the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. So that's the number of terms times the first term plus the last term divided by 2. So then I started with 15, and I knew that there was going to be 13 numbers between 1 and 200 that are going to be divisible by 15. And I knew the first term would be 15, and the last term would be 195. And I divided that by 2, and then I simplified. And I got 1,365. And then I did the same thing for 9. So I knew there was going to be 22 terms that were divisible by 9 from 1 to 200. The first term would be 9, and the last term would be 198, and divide that by 2. And I simplified, and I got 2,277. And then I add those together. But then we know that since I did both of these, that there's going to be duplicates where a number is both divisible by 9 and 15, and they're counted twice. So you have to subtract it once. So I knew that since 9 and 15 are both divisible by 3, every fifth number that's divisible by 9 would also be divisible by 15, and every third number that's divisible by 15 would also be divisible by 9. So I use the 9 as an example. So I took 22, which was the amount of terms, and I divided by 5, and I found that there were just 4 terms that overlaps. So since it's the fifth number for every multiple of 9, I did 9 times 5, which is 45. 9 times 10, which is 90. 9 times 15, which is 135. And then 9 times 20, which is 180. And then I had to subtract all these numbers from the sum of these two that I found to get a final answer of 3,192.